Which is the hottest company in China right now? What kind of company's stock price can triple in just 1 month? Even Goldman Sachs is saying it could still go up another 30% and might even double in a bull market. Today, let's talk about the NVIDIA of China, Cambricon. Hello everyone, this is Alpha Eric, navigating the China and US capital markets. Cambricon was founded by two brothers. Both hold a PhD degree from China's top university. One specializes in chip design and the other in AI algorithms. Back in 2015, with a team of just 20 people, they built the world's very first prototype chip dedicated to deep learning. By 2016, Cambricon was officially founded. Then the company came its big break. In 2017, Huawei launched the world's first AI smartphone chip, the Kirin 970, and it used Cambricon's processor. The chip was used in Huawei Mate 10 smartphone. Then overnight, Cambricon became a household name in tech. In 2017 and 2018, Huawei contributed 97% of Cambricon's revenue. But here's the twist. Huawei was basically using Cambricon as training wheels. By 2018, Huawei developed its own AI chips, and by 2019, the partnership was over. So Cambricon lost its biggest client, but that didn't stop them. In 2020, Cambricon went public on China's STAR market, making it the country's first publicly listed AI chip company. On the very first day, the stock surged 229%, and the market cap shot past 100 billion RMB. But losing Huawei as its main customer, investors started to worry about Cambricon's future. Then in late 2022, the US government added the company to the export control list. That move put huge limits on its supply chains and tech partnerships. For example, TSMC, the world's leading chip maker, had to cut off 7-nanometer production for them, and Cambricon had to turn to SMIC for help. But back then, China's chip manufacturing technology was not advanced enough. So result is, the chip performance dropped and the stock collapsed, down 84% from its peak. Even after all these setbacks, Cambricon didn't stop investing in R&D. Since 2018, they've been building their own software ecosystem, the NVIDIA platform. Think of it like NVIDIA's CUDA. It gives Cambricon full-stack capabilities, both hardware and software. This platform became the backbone for everything they do. The real turning point came in 2024 when Cambricon launched the 590 chip, a 7-nanometer AI chip. Its efficiency in AI tasks was already close to international giants. Around the same time, Chinese AI models like DeepSeek, Kimi AI started booming, and China's chip supply chain had improved a lot. Right then, investors started seeing Cambricon as a real NVIDIA alternative, and the stock price began climbing. By the first half of 2025, Cambricon delivered an extraordinary financial report. Revenue rose 4,347% from 65 million RMB to 2.88 billion RMB in just 6 months. The company projects full-year revenue of 5 to 7 billion RMB. Even more importantly, it swung from a 457 million RMB loss in 2024 to a 1.038 billion RMB profit in 2025. In the first half of 2025, operating cash flow turned positive as well. For the first time, Cambricon became a company with sustainable, independent operations. The revenue structure also shifted. Before 2024, most income came from intelligent computing system. But by 2024, cloud chips contributed 99% of revenue. That means Cambricon was not betting on edge computing or smart devices. The bet was on commercialization of large AI models, and the strategy did pay off. Cambricon's comeback is largely driven by technology and ecosystem. The 590 cloud chip is China's only mass-produced 7-nanometer AI training chip. Performance is roughly 80% of NVIDIA's A100, but at only one-third of the cost. It supports nearly all major Chinese AI models. The next-generation 690 cloud chip is expected to approach NVIDIA's H100 performance. It's also designed specifically for China's AI frameworks, making it well-suited for major companies like Alibaba, Tencent, and ByteDance. Just as NVIDIA built its advantage with CUDA, Cambricon is establishing its own ecosystem edge. On August 28th, the stock jumped 15.7% in a single day, reaching 1,595 RMB per share, and the market capitalization surpassed 650 billion RMB, making it China's largest publicly listed semiconductor company. Goldman Sachs raised its price target to 1,835 RMB, with a bull case scenario of 3,934. So can Cambricon's stock keep climbing? In my view, the recent surge mainly comes down to three factors. First is the global AI boom. We can see massive capex spending by giants like Microsoft, Google, Alibaba, and Tencent. China's AI sector is riding this wave. Second, now NVIDIA still can't sell products in China. On top of that, China has a strong push for domestic alternatives, as Cambricon is the only one that can mass produce high performance AI training chips in China. It holds a very unique position in the market. Last, the financials demonstrate strong commercial traction, robust revenue growth, and solid profitability, make investors believe Cambricon has the potential to become the next NVIDIA. But here's the catch. Cambricon's current PE ratio over 500 times. Let's say, if the company achieved the high end of its guidance, 7 billion in revenue, with a net profit around 2.5 billion, the forward PE ratio would be 260. Still not cheap. Easy money and strong market sentiment pushed Cambricon's stock to surge, but this also comes with huge volatility risk. Okay, that's all for today. Just personal sharing and analysis, but not for investment advice. If you enjoy the video, please don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button right now if you haven't already. See you next time.